Hallo, Katrin here with European Paper Crafts in the US. Welcome to my channel or welcome back. Thank you so much for stopping by. Today I continue with my Christmas cards, so let's get started. So today's cards I created with the new My Favorite Crafting Book by Studiolight, and I have 3 different versions that I would quickly like to share with you. So the first one is the Snowy Afternoon. Those of you familiar with Studiolight, you know they make the most prettiest ephemera pieces, and they're all die cuts and so easily lay out on your cards and make beautiful projects. So yeah, the first one is the Snowy Afternoon, and these books, they come full of embellishments, and all you have to do is push them out. So I don't know, I'm just going to quickly go through them. There are smaller and bigger embellishments. And this does look like winter. Then you have background papers. And this is cardstock. So you can make your card blanks with these beautiful icy looking snow papers. Very, very nice. There are tags, all die cut. And then there is 2 sheets of stickers. So then there are 2, or maybe it's supposed to have only 1 sticker sheet. Yes, 1 sticker sheet and 1 label sheet. So this one here must be a misprint because it has 2 sticker sheets. Well, that's a bonus, right? Okay, then we have Winter Charm. And same idea, you get all these gorgeous die cuts that you can layer on your cards, journals. Then you have again lots and lots of cardstock to make card blanks, all in this wintry hue. And there are the tags, and then here is, and this is only one, there is 1 sheet of stickers. Okay, and then the last one is Traditional Christmas, and I made my cards with this book, and here you can see all the greens and the reds and the beautiful Christmas die cuts. You'll see how I use them on my cards. Lots and lots of cardstock. Okay, and then you have again these little tags and a sheet of stickers. So let's see what I have created. So here's my first card. I used the card blanks from the paper pad. So really, you don't need any other products to make your Christmas cards. If you don't have a lot of Christmas craft items yet, one of these pads, and I think that's why they call it the crafting book, has everything you need. So here I use this beautiful snowflake paper that looks like a blanket. It is white inside, so that's perfect for making cards. I used 1 frame and 1 of these bigger pictures, and look at this lantern, so beautiful. And a little bit of the other embellishments. I grabbed a couple of leaves, a little tag, Merry Christmas, and just 1 piece of gold scrap that I had, put it through my paper crimper. And then what you see glittering here is the German glass glitter. And that, of course, is so sparkly. So I sell these in my shop in 1 ounce bags. And all you need to do is put a little bit of liquid glue that dries clearly, and then you add this glass glitter. It goes a long way, but look how sparkly it is. Love that. So I'm going to link this below for you. But this is my first card, and I think it looks so cozy, just like you would imagine for Christmas Eve. Yeah, this is the card that you saw in the beginning. And here we have the Merry Christmas, also from the paper pack. This beautiful paper with the snowed greenery. And really, all I did here is just, it is so simple. I cut out 2 pieces of paper, this brownish red background. I added from another piece of background paper that comes in the pack. And then the only thing I popped up here is this little birdhouse, and I used my gold stickles here, and on the snow cones my silver stickles. But isn't that just gorgeous? And then down here, just a couple more embellishments. There are so many in the pack. So here you go. And these are beautifully, they look like nature to me, like in the pretty Christmas colors. Love those. Next here is my gingerbread house, and again what I used here is this card stock for my card blank. So basically you can make cards in any size you want, because you get these large sheets and cut it the way you like it, and then fold it in half. And what I have done here is I added a frame. I did add one of these gold layers, and I have bought these from Michael's. I used my scissors with a decorative edge, and you can see how I cut this out with these scissors. Added more bling, just a couple pieces, and this is not even a strip. I'm telling you, these are small pieces. They probably end right here and right here, but you will never know because they're only showing the sides. But then here is the gingerbread house, and of course I put a lot of stickles so that it looks like there is a lot of sugar on it, and then added a couple of gingerbread men right here on top, as well as part of this rolling pin. And then of course a wonderful Christmas. So here is this card. Let's see, my next card, I used again the card blank, and this one here is this green background with beautiful ice crystals and snowflakes. And then let's see what I did here. I added one of the bigger embellishments, this door, could be a barn door or a house door. And then even this one that looks like ribbon comes in the package, so I used that as well. And I popped up just a few extra embellishments. So down here we got the package with some leaves. And then of course this lantern here. And then both of those wreaths at the door. They are actually part of that picture, but I did add glitter to it. Added a little bit of greenery behind it. Happy holidays. And here you go. You got another beautiful card. And really, all I did is use everything that comes with the pack and added lots and lots of glitter. And that's of course up to you, because it is not glittered. So if you're not into glittery stuff, then this would be still make a beautiful pack for you, because I added the glitter on my own. So it's not in the pack. And then let's see, I did one more card, and isn't that just so super cute? They got this parade of puppies here sitting in this frame, and I just used glitter paper to put behind the frame, so you have, of course, that glittery effect. But yeah, those 5 puppies sitting here, and all I did is, again, I used one of the card blanks, some of these ribbons. I cut myself out of one strip of paper, and then the smaller one comes in the pack, and then just added some embellishments. So these ornaments that I hung here from the top of my card, I did not pop them up, so I just glued them flat. And here I did pop up this corner piece. There is another ornament, and then of course let me see if this focuses here, some pine, little bit of pine and a gold star, this ornament, a little bow, yeah, and this cute little, forgot what you call that here, but basically where you have ribbon, like a ribbon pack. So, and because I made a slimline card for this card, I also made a matching envelope. And you know, my envelopes, these coin style envelopes, are really, really nice when you have slimline cards. So you find you do need 12 by 12 paper to make these, because you need a pretty big piece of paper. All I do is I lay down my card on the 12 by 12 paper, measure it around, and then fold it up. So it's really easy, but you always will have a totally matching and fitting envelope. And then if you have paper like this that is very busy, then just add a little white tag where you can write the address so you can mail it. Okay, I heard that some people said on YouTube that you cannot mail these. I have mailed them before, and they have always made it to the addressee. So just make sure that the address is legible, right? So I wouldn't want to write the address on this paper. But just because the paper is busy doesn't mean the post office won't carry it. They will. I hope you like the cards I created with these crafting books. Try them out. They're really fun, and everything you need is in there. So if you like them, please give me a thumbs up. Leave me a comment. I would love to hear from you, and please share this video with your crafty friends and family. I would love the support. Thank you so much for spending time with me today. Please stay or get well, and happy crafting. I'll catch you next time. Bye-bye.